guys, here is our East Oak outdoor patio set. It comes with these two oversized chairs right here, along with this very comfortable 3-seater sofa and these two tables, one with this large table right here and then the smaller table right here that fits very perfectly either right here on the side or can even be tucked up underneath the larger table to make kind of a cute little layout. Now, this is an outdoor furniture set, but I have to tell you that of all the outdoor furniture sets I've used, this one is so comfortable, and you can see these nice thick cushions. Let me show you right here. These nice thick cushions right here. It makes it for a really, really comfortable fit, and it's very breathable, which is really important where I live in South Louisiana, where sitting outside can sometimes be really hot. This breathable material is really incredible. It keeps you comfortable while you're sitting outside. And the thickness of the cushion helps you entertain with your guests for a nice long period of time. Now, when we were putting this together, it was actually much easier than I thought to put together. First of all, everything that you see here came in one box. Now, it was a big box, but everything here came in one box. And what's really great about that is that they tucked it all together and made it really, really easy to put together. And so all we had to do was pretty much screw on the legs, screw on the bottom piece of the couch here and attach these cushions. Something else that I really liked about putting it together, it's also very functional in its use, is that these cushions, the top pieces are really, really thick, kind of like the bottom here. You can see it's also double-sided. So let's say you have a guest maybe get this side a little bit wet sitting by the pool, you can always flip it around and sit on the other side. But the piece that I find that's very functional is when you're going to put it together, in the back, and I may not be able to, let's see if I can show you here. Each of these cushions actually straps on to the metal frame right here. So it keeps it in place. So it goes around these little bars on the back, and you would just put the bar in between and strap it on. So you can see while I'm sitting on it, it's nice and solid. The cushions don't slip off or anything like that. And I really, really love that about this outdoor furniture set. In addition to all of this, as if this set isn't incredible enough, this woven, like braided look of this like gray material here, it feels like rope. It's very, very durable and really, really thick. It's awesome. It looks great. It feels good. It again doesn't, it's not like hot or anything like that if you happen to be sitting next to it and leaning on it. I absolutely love this set. I know you guys will too. So if you're interested in that, you want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.